channel. So guys, we are gonna we are just gonna give you a so guys we are gonna give you the viewers a tour of my survival creative Minecraft server. So guys, this is around here. Wait a second guys, I gotta change my video 1 sec. So guys, this is here. I made this place because it was Max's birthday. And guys, I added mods like that like the 15-year part. Don't mind about the storm guys. And I also downloaded the Dragon Light. They're very good. And these have wolves. I don't all wool, I think that's the mod. I used the TNT to make it. And this is my little hut when I get bored. I usually always get bored. It was our dog's birthday. I don't know when was it. It was age 1. Yeah, it was age 1. So this is my base, guys. I made it using TNT, more TNT, specifically the Shockwave TNT. So this is the tour of the server, guys. This is the base. I duplicated this house on this. I used this block, the structure block, to duplicate some parts of my house into my brother's house over there. It was going to be this house, but he got tired, so yeah. That's the arrows pointing there to my brand new project. This is the village, guys. This guy's house. I don't know how, but he sold it to a villager. Oopsie, my elytra. That's my donkey. Say hello, donkey. No. Okay. Never mind. This is my piston door. Ta-da! I'm just kidding. I like this concrete. I like these colors. Okay, we'll finally because there's only a little base there. But that was supposed to be my secret base, but I accidentally blew it up when we went to survival. We just gonna times it there. And sold. There's a bunch of dragons here, guys. Very sure to download that. I'm not sponsoring anything mods, but those are very good actually, guys. And we have actually guns here. That's the gun. Sorry for the noise. That is just the gun that makes. That's the noise that gun makes. As you can see, this is the forest that I flew in that small peak. Well, maybe patchment here. And there's a lot of snowballs here. This is my new project, guys. I'm gonna turn this place into a massive base. Be sure to check that video out when that is going to be released soon. Soon, guys, soon. This is the forest. As you can see, that my small space. It's not small space. I'm not speaking anything. Well, I'm speaking, but this is the villages here. My wolves. I use that thingy. I use that wolf armor. This is the farm. When we go to survival, we usually get them stuff here. I use command blocks to teleport, as you can see, guys. There. And then we are going to next. We're going to Paris base. Next, guys, maybe tomorrow or later, I'm gonna upload a video on the raft. Maybe it's a part of the video on survival, guys. This is here, over here. Wait, what is that? Oh, that's the subscribe button. But seriously, that is the thingy that I use. Please subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Those are my brother's dragons. And as you can see, I can go up here. Those are my another base. I keep making base because of that more TNT. The shockwave TNT is actually good when you are making underground bases. I use this box teleport. This goes to Kari's house over there, base mostly. That's the beacon. Here's the beacon. It's the beacon. It's the beacon. That's the beacon. Okay. And the old wool gives you this door too. Well, not usually a door, but something like that. This is the armors. You can actually get more armor, the Russian army, but I don't actually use that much. I only use that because they have good camos. This is my dragons, but when I'm in a hurry, I use command blocks to teleport. Here we are. Wait a minute, guys, it's lagging. Sorry for the lag, guys. It's command blocks produce a bunch of lag, especially on mobile, which I play on mobile. There's the hot tub. Maybe next video tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna furnish this base. I already furnished the down floor. I'm sorry for not videoing that. And then over there, I forgot how to get up. Oh right, I break blocks. I should break blocks. I always break blocks. Or maybe, oh, this is it. Yeah, this is it. I usually break it. There we go. This is my command floor. And this is my escape. Wait, this is not my escape. Wait, I think my down floor is my escape route. Yeah, but I have a escape route, guys. The piston. I need to break this. Oh, don't worry, guys. Don't worry. This is the max. Yeah, that's it. This is it. This is the thingy. And the up top floor is actually there. It's 2 times because max. Yeah. And that is my escape route I use there. And over there's the dragons, as I told you before. We're going to the backstage. Guys. That's what I call it, the backstage. Over here, something is going on. Giant meteor landed, guys. Gigantic meteor landed. My brother and I checked it out. Oh, we are scared to open that in case it releases a giant monster. This is the server. Brand? That's Brand. Yeah, Brand. By Brand. There is the server. This is the house. Some houses actually got blown up, so we gotta remove them. Dragon Trader. Okay, there's this. Oh, I also have one more base over here. Over here is my base. Over here, as you can see. Oh, no dragons this time. Oh, there's actually one. Baby dragons. This can get pretty annoying, but then I don't deal with them. I use these guns. There's a bunch of guns here. Oh no. Wait for a second, guys. There. As you can see, it's easy to get rid of the dragons. Just use the warfare mode. Hey guys, that is the tour for now. Subscribe if you want. Like and subscribe if you want the next part of the video. Bye. Bye guys. I don't need editing on that part. Yes.